Rocco's ball?
I don't know. Yeah, I see that. Oh, might not.
Too late. That's the dog's ball right there. He can get it out of there. There it is. That one I got up the roof over there. It's a good ball still. My Great Dane loves this. This is bait. I got 2 Great Danes and they play ball.
Guy over by me had one. That son of a bitch was that big, that tall, and yet.
I want to get pictures of how it's built. With all that foam in there, no wonder it caught on fire.
Well, pretty soon you'll be able to get a picture with all the footing.
You know, with all that foam in there, that's not right. It's gonna have paint dripping all over the place. Noisy. Stay back a little bit. Look at that shit. You're breathing all that in. You almost need a mask. See where they, it's like right there's where they added the wall. It's built really weird, isn't it? But what a mess. Boy, it looks weird to see the neighbors. I've never seen it like this. I should have took a hammer and popped that plywood back out and took it home. That shit's expensive. Huh?
It's all pieces, little pieces. That's
scrap?
Yeah, that's 3 different pieces.
She goes. I think I want to see it from this side. Man. Yeah, I just wanted to see the front real quick. Oh. Just tell me how to tape it. There's a nice gable. That was just a box.
Moved on the foundation?
Yeah, I did. Well, look at the front foundation's gone now.
Uh-huh. But look how the walls just fall down.
It's like a puzzle.
Yeah.
Look how rotted that is.
Yeah.
You never would have got that smell out of that house, ever. There's the bed. Watch for the porno. What a mess, huh? Well, I knew they were jerks when I seen all these leaves on our side. Whose shoes are those? Dylan? Hey, Dylan? Yours?
Yeah.
Reebok?
Yeah.